deep cleansing face toner. Yeah, it's a simple recipe. It's a recipe that is available in your kitchen, but because you don't know how to make it, you didn't know about this. Yes, it's a very simple recipe, like I said, but it's a very good facial toner. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing this way for the first time, hi, I am Luminous, and on this channel we film about skincare, product reviews, supplement review, DIYs, everything concerning skincare. Yes, everything concerning skincare, body enhancement. So if this is the kind of content you love to consume here, please subscribe to our channel, turn on your notification bell, so you'll be the first to be notified each time once we drop a new video. And to my returning subscribers, and now I respect you now, thanks for subscribing to my channel, thanks for keeping up, thanks for always here. So without wasting much time, let me dive straight into today's episode. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a very simple face toner. Yeah, deep cleansing face toner. Yeah, it's a simple recipe. It's a recipe that is available in your kitchen, but because you don't know how to make it, you didn't know about this. Yes, it's a very simple recipe, like I said, but it's a very good facial toner. It is going to do a lot of things for you. It is going to help you if you are all these acne prone, you're always having acne. One, it is going to also help you balance your facial pH. Whenever you use a lot of products, you know, sometimes you use some products and you have this red stuff on your face and a lot of other things. This is because whenever you use some products in the market, it affects your normal pH. You understand? You need all this rose water, all this facial toner to balance your pH level. You understand? So without wasting much time, let me jump straight into today's episode. The first thing you'll be needing for this facial toner is your distilled water. The first thing you'll be needing for this facial toner is your rose water. I don't know if you are not using rose water to now, or you feel like you don't know the benefits of rose water. My dear, you are missing. Rose water is a very good stuff you should have. Yes, it serves a lot of purpose, like a whole lot of purpose. It helps balance the normal skin pH. Yeah, maybe it can be added to your lotion. Yeah, if you have a lotion and you feel like it's too thick or it's too harsh, you can add your rose water to it. If you have a cleanser and you feel like the cleanser is too strong for your face, you can always use your rose water after your cleanser. Rose water is a very good product you should always have for yourself. So the first thing you'll be needing for this recipe is your rose water. But if you can't lay your hand on rose water, you feel like you can't get the rose water, you can replace the rose water in this measure with your distilled water. Yeah, you can replace it with your distilled water. So the first thing you need is your rose water or your distilled water. You need 98% of your distilled water. Yes, you need 98% of your distilled water. You need 1% of your glycolic acid. You need 1% of your glycolic acid. What I meant by percentage, a lot of people might not understand if you're not a skincare vendor or you've not been making product by yourself. Meaning, if you're using a product, if you're using water at maybe 1 cup, then you should be using the glycolic at maybe half of 1/8 teaspoon. Yeah, that should be 1%. So if you want to make the right measures, then you should use maybe your scale. Use 98% of the water, and you use 2% of your glycolic acid. Yes, I hope you guys understand what I am trying to explain here. If you want to make this facial toner, you need 98% of the distilled water or rose water, and you need your 2% glycolic acid. What I mean is, if you're using 250 ml of your water, you should be using 250 ml over 100 times the number of product you're using. Let's just say like 250 ml is the product you're using, then you should be using 1% of your 2% of your glycolic acid. Before some people will say, I don't understand what you're saying, and how do I calculate my percentage? Let me just give you a normal measures. Then if you're doing more of it, you add more. So to make this facial toner, you should be using 30 ml of your or 50 ml of your rose water or your distilled water. You use 50 ml of your rose water or your distilled water, and you use 3 ml of your glycolic acid into those measures. Turn very well, shake and mix very well. You have your facial deep cleanser. Yes, it is going to up balance your facial pH. It is going to up your skin, take off those debts. Like if you're about to apply your products, this cleanser, this simple cleanser, is going to help you take off those dead skin cells up your face. It's going to clear up any yama yama on your face. It is also going to help give your face this natural calm look before you go in with any other product. Yeah, hope this video has been helpful so far. If you've watched my video to this extent, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time once I drop a new video. Thank you for watching my video today. See you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye. Peace out.